What's up, dudes? So today's video is going to be super boring as fuck because what I need to do is clean the shit out of my garage. So that's what's going to happen. So the main reason why I need to clean everything up is, well, first off, it looks like ass, and second off is that I'm going to get into some powder coating. So I need to make some room somewhere to fit a oven and a glass cabinet and what else? A place to spray, which I think I'm actually going to use this little old, used to be a wood room back here. So I'm going to attempt to spray my parts back here, mainly for the little things. I'll be able to hang them from the ceiling and spray little things back here, and possibly just set up a little sawhorse or a ladder or something and put the bigger stuff like a wheel or something back here as well. And I don't think these lights work, so I need to figure that out. The only ones that I know that do work are these ones right here, and you know, super shitty light, obviously not suitable for some shit. Obviously not suitable for some powder coating things to be done or to be had in. So that is the main goal, to just clean up for this said powder coating stuff and see how it goes. I've wanted to powder coat for a couple years now, and now that I have a steady job, I've had a steady job for over 2 years, almost 3 years now, starting to get some good money into the savings. Figured I'd spend a couple bucks to set up the correct, or get some good powder coating stuff. Mainly the big thing was the sandblast cabinet. It just makes cleaning the parts up so much better and just way easier. So that is the main goal today, is get shit cleaned up really good, or really well, and make some room so I can make some metal things look pretty. Mainly intercooler pipes, valve covers, compressor housings, some wheels, you know, and I'm just going to be having a powder party essentially with just essentially anything that's fucking metal and I can fit in this oven that I'm trying to get. I'm going to powder. So I just hope this is as much fun as I think that I will have with it, and just go from there. You guys can tell the other day I kind of had a little bit of fun in the parking lot. Oops. This dude just chills all the time. He doesn't care. He just chills in the middle of the damn road. Don't you do it. You, come on. Quack. Quack. Quack, quack. Alright guys, so where we're going real quick is just to the old Ace Hardware to get some wire ties, and might look at some LED bulbs from there. The ones that I got and ran out of, I got from Amazon for, it was like a 6-pack for like 50 bucks. So I'm probably just gonna order stuff from there again. But I do have 2 bulbs in the back. 2 bulbs in the back that I want to change, but I believe they're 8-foot bulbs. So instead of spending like 50 bucks to get, or what are they, 70 bucks to get a pack of 4, I'm gonna see if I can see if Ace has a set of LED ones, just 2 of them, and see if the price is about half, because if so, then I'll get them. If not, I'll probably just order those ones off Amazon as well. So I ended up getting the wire ties, wire nuts, whatever you want to call them, but they're one 8-foot LED bulb there was like $40. So I'm just gonna get the 4-pack for like 80 from Amazon. That just seems like the way smarter option. What's up guys? So I just got back into the shop. As you can see, I did clean up quite a bit. I'm sure you've seen that in the little video. I just need to finish that up and then figure out what I'm doing with all my tools, and just pretty much clean that out. But that'll be another day. What I'm going to do is just finish up with these lights in the back room, and then should be able to have room for some powder coating. The plan still is to do the powder coating in the back room. I'll more than likely set the blast cabinet up over here since it's so close to my air compressor, and the oven, I don't know, maybe I'll put it this way or something. I don't know. My 220 volt plug is over there. I might try to see if I can get one over on this side. I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet, but that should pretty much be enough room for everything. I'm going to order the blast cabinet online, and I think everything else I'll just go buy. I think it would just be easier that way. The shipping for the blast cabinet was only like 10 bucks, so fuck it, whatever. But that's all for this video, and hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one.